In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under elements of marketing. So we're going to focus on the subtopic marketing myths, and we have about 18 to 20 questions to practice when the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here is the process of creating more market for a product is true. We have consumerism, with positioning, marketing, advertising. The right answer is option C, which is marketing. Okay, this question, this one. It says the best pricing strategy for a company that produces warm clothing is. We have bid pricing, we have target return pricing, we have product line pricing, we have variable pricing. So right answer to this question is option D, which is variable pricing. This question, this one, says which of the following used as a pricing policy? We have labeling, packaging, market scheming, market location. Right answer is option C, which is market scheming. Okay, next question, this one. The opposite of market scheming is market penetration. Take note of this question, guys. Option C. Next question, this one, it says the communication aspect of marketing means is promotion. Option B. Okay, next question. It says use the diagram below to answer this question. The diagram contains the 4 elements of marketing myths. Option B. Okay, so that's the right answer to this question. Next question is this one. So it says the current trends in retailing competition in Nigeria are, we have advertising and sales promotion strategies, no. Self-service, after sales service, and branding strategies, yes, that's the right answer. Option C, after sales service and sales promotion strategies, no. There's no branding here. Branding, enterprising, no. So the right answer is option B, guys. Okay, next question is this one. It says an important issue for consideration in the product element of the marketing mix is the overall channel of distribution of the product, adequate promotion of the product, price of the product, planning and development of the product. The right answer is option D, planning and development of the product. Okay, next question. The main aim of selling directly to consumers by manufacturers is to reduce transportation costs, maximizing profit margin, make contact with individual customers, discourage the activities of middlemen. The right answer is option B, maximizing profit margin. Okay, next question. It says discounts offered by firm to middlemen for bulk purchases are, we have seasonal discount, trade discounts, sales bonanza, cash discount. The right answer is option B, trade discounts. Okay, next question. The variety of goods and services which a company offers for sale is we have product mix. The right answer is a repeated question. Next question is one. It says in product pricing, which of these elements needs more consideration than others? The demand for the product, the cost of producing the product, the economic condition in the market, the demography of the buyers of the product. The right answer is option B, the cost of producing the product. Okay, next question. This one says the 4 P's of marketing are also known as marketing myths. Option A. Okay, next question. One says a collective term for advertising, personal selling, and publicity is, we have exhibition, promotion, trade fair, merchandising. The right answer is option B, promotion. Next question. The policy used when contracts are awarded as a result of tender is product line pricing, market scheming, market penetration, bid pricing. So guys, the right answer to this question is option D, bid pricing. Very important. Take note of this question. Next question. This one says when a vendor supplies newspapers from house to house and across the streets, the elements of marketing mix involved is, so the right answer is option, we have promotion, place, product, price. Let's look at the question again. When a vendor supplies newspapers from house to house and across the street, the elements of marketing mix involved is option B, place. Okay, next question is one, which is the last one. It says a pattern that shows the kinds of participants involved in the production, distribution, and ultimate use of a product is referred to as, we have selection, structure, synergy, strategy. Right answer is option B, structure. So guys, this basically can be problems involving marketing myths for your JAMB commerce. Practice with about 18 to 20 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel. Once I learned from the video, if you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that I part of the channel membership by clicking on the JAMB button and getting premium information that help you to excel in exams like JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. So having done this, click on the next button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.